In this lesson, Getting Started with OCI, I'm going to give a quick overview of what OCI is and cover some basic OCI terminology before we jump into creating actual infrastructure. So our agenda in this lesson, I'm going to go over what is OCI and how is it different than other cloud providers. Then I'm going to discuss some common OCI terminology and concepts. This is intended to level set us as we move through this course together. And then lastly, I'm going to discuss an Oracle free tier account and what this is and how we can sign up for it. So what is OCI? OCI is Oracle's second generation cloud computing platform. OCI is Oracle's second generation cloud computing platform. Their first gen cloud platform was known as Oracle Public Cloud. Now it's known as OCI Classic in order to distinguish it from the Generation 2 version. Gen 2 is elastic, allowing you to scale resources up or out when you need to. And unlike other cloud providers, you get predictable, guaranteed performance out of your OCI resources like you would expect from services that are deployed in your on-premise environment. OCI also bills itself as one of the most secure clouds out there by providing granular control over all of your cloud resources. You may hear OCI and Oracle Cloud mentioned in this course. Technically, Oracle Cloud is more than just OCI. It is the combination of OCI plus Oracle Platform as a Service and SaaS offerings.